Okay, so today I'm going to try something new. You might know from the title already. I'm going to try Olaplex number 3 treatment today. It's a home treatment. They have number 1, number 2, which is done in salon, and you can bring this treatment at home. So I ordered it yesterday from Amazon and I received it by today. So this is a first impression kind of video. I haven't used this before, and I will make a video after this bottle is finished. So this is I'll read what it's mentioned here. So use before shampooing, and it's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. So it's not a conditioner, so you can't keep it in your hair like forever. You have to wash it off. So the directions are: use once per week. For damaged hair, you can use 2 to 3 per week, 2 to 3 times a week, and apply on damp towel dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave it for minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired, and rinse from shampoo and condition as usual. So this is not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. Like when you bleach your hair or excessive heat damage, your hair tends to break. So what this does is, this penetrates and try to bond the breakage, like it repairs the breakage from within. So yeah, so it is mentioned that you need to shampoo after using it, but I didn't wanted to apply it in a dirty hair, or like I haven't washed my hair from, like I washed my hair 4 days before, and I needed to clarify my scalp because I was able to see the buildup around here. So I haven't clarified my hair for 2-3 weeks, so I needed to clarify as well, and I didn't wanted to apply it on my dirty hair, so I just clarified. And this is my damp hair. I have some water here. If I need, I will use that to dampen some area. So now I'll start by sectioning my hair. So I'll be working in sections so that I can make sure that every side of hair is coated nicely. So what I'll do is, my hair is not detangled by the way, but I have heard that it has good slip, so it will help in detangling as well. And it originally cost around 25-50 I guess, but on Amazon I got it for 1700, so I hope it's original. So yeah, let's get started. So, and this is like very chotu bottle for 2500 or 1600 as well, so I'm going to use very little. And you can also apply according to the areas you know which are damaged most. So I know that, so my hair is not bleached or anything, I haven't colored my hair once, but I used to straighten my hair, and like I have did smoothing twice in my lifetime, or in 6 years, and then I used to straighten my hair with straightener. So recently I chopped off all the straight ends like few months back in lockdown only. So these are not that damaged, but yeah, I used to blow dry them. So what I'll do is, I'll apply less amount of Olaplex on the bottom sections because I know these are not that damaged, but I know the upper section of my hair is more damaged, so I will use more quantity on the upper section and less over there. So my hair is damp, and I have taken a bowl of water. If I would want to add more water, I can use that. So now let's get started. Okay, sorry, it's sealed and I didn't know. So yeah, it comes with a sealed bottle. I received it today morning only, so I didn't open it and check. So it's sealed, so hope it's original. Okay, so remember, it's a bond building treatment, it's not a conditioner or anything. It has protein, but it's a bond building treatment. It smells good, and it is kind of full, like this. It's filled here, like you won't be able to see. So yeah, let's get started. I'll take this section and just twist it. I've seen in a video, so she was saying it helps in, it's like a curl treatment, so I thought I would try it. You need to do it in the right direction in which your curl pattern forms, otherwise it will open up. Yeah, if it opens up, then try to twist the other way. So it's 1:30 and it took me 26 minutes exactly to do this. So now I'll put it in a shower cap. It's finished. Itna. I think it's emptied this much and remaining this much. I think I can take out more 6 to 7 uses of this, and I will do empty bottle of this one once it's finished. So it tells that you can keep it for at least minimum 10 minutes, but I am who likes to keep things forever. So I think I'm going to leave it for 2 hours, and it's 1:30. I will probably shampoo, then deep condition or normal condition my hair after. Okay, so I applied the Olaplex at 1:30 p.m. So it's already 4:45 here. So I have already washed my hair, conditioned, styled my hair, everything. So I used the shampoo to wash off the Olaplex and then used the conditioner, and I kept the conditioner for around 15 minutes and then applied this gel and the mousse. So now my hair is dried. I air dried it for around 30 minutes and then I diffused it. So yeah, that's my hair. I haven't scrunched out the crunch, and look at the curls, they are so juicy. Like, I'm just loving it. I don't know, from quite a few days I'm getting like good hair days, like juicy plums and everything. I've started a different like routine kind of. So I'll be posting my current wash routine which I'm following, so stay tuned for that. So now I'll just scrunch out the crunch. So just take out any rings you have, and then I'm taking this lightweight oil which I always use, and we'll take few drops. And now flip. Now we'll scrunch And now I'll wiggle myself. This is my hair after doing Olaplex for first time. I don't know if there is any drastic changes I can see, but my hair feels kind of good, and I can see curls forming in this area, which I don't usually get curls. Like the roots are kind of flat, they are not that curly, but I can see curls happening on the scalp area. So I'm just excited to finish this bottle and then see what happens. Like this was the first wash, like the first try, and I like it. Like I can see curls happening here, like see. I'll try to insert any pic or any video clip of any of my wash days so that you can compare, especially in the crown area. I think it's more fuller today in the crown area, otherwise it's like a little bit flat, so I like that about. And if you notice these, I tried to cut bangs on my own. I don't know, I failed or what. So yeah, I want the haircut जो ऐसे, which is like this, यहाँ से it's shorter and this round. I think I should cut these bangs, or what should I do? Like these, I took to here, and then what do you think I look? I don't know. So yeah, this was a first impression video, so I'll make an updated version when the bottle of the Olaplex will be finished, so that we can see how well it works after after using it for quite a while, so we'll be able to tell that. Here. So you guys let me know if you see any difference from my earlier wash days and this here, and I'll see you next time. So that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video and find this video informative, and if you do so, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. Till then, bye.